Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from GCP cost controls and refunds for BigQuery, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from GCP cost controls and initiate refunds for BigQuery, begin by logging into your Google Cloud Platform account. Navigate to the console homepage. In the left-hand menu, click on Billing. Locate the project associated with your BigQuery usage. Select the relevant project. In the Billing Overview section, you will find details about your current expenditures. To adjust cost controls, go to the Budgets and Alerts tab. Here, you can view existing budgets set for your project. Choose the budget you want to withdraw from. Click on the edit icon next to the selected budget. To disable the budget, uncheck the Active Status option. Save your changes to complete the withdrawal. Next, to request a refund for BigQuery, head back to the Billing section. Click on Transactions to view your billing history. Identify the specific transaction related to BigQuery that you wish to refund. Select that transaction to view its details. Look for the Request a Refund option within the transaction details. Complete the refund request form by providing necessary information. Be sure to include a justification for the refund request. Submit the refund request for processing. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your refund request. Monitor your email for updates on the status of your refund. Once your request is approved, the refund will be reflected in your account. This process will ensure that you effectively withdraw from GCP cost controls and navigate refunds for BigQuery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.